just change your style. One step done and another begun, and I wonder how it goes. I spend a little time on the mountain, spend a little time on the hill. Things went down, you don't understand, but I think in time you will. Now I don't know, but I was told in the heat of the sun, a man died at home.
Ladies and germs, we have made it to the mountain. Let's get our gear on and hit the slope. Let's do this. All right, we're suited up. It's pretty windy here today. It's springtime, so the sun's up pretty high, so the sun feels warm, but look at this. See all this dirt blowing from the parking lot? It's a windy day, so it's 20 degrees out. It says it feels like it's 5, so anyway, got our skis ready, so let's get on and get. All right, going up the chair here. Chair 26. Send it. See that on there? Guys, it's a sign. Like I said, it could be my last day skiing this year. Very strong chance that it is. I'm on the number 26 chair with the send it sticker. I think you already know what that means. I think, I'm just kidding, guys. I mean, there's hardly any snow left here today. I'm gonna see how it feels. I got these bad boys out. See, the funny thing is, I need to wax these really bad, but it's cold enough today that I don't think the snow is gonna be super sticky, so they might be all right. But I have my other skis with me, which I did wax recently. My other skis, my older ones, I waxed them up really good the other day because they're my old shitty skis, and those are the ones you want to use when you're trying to hit rails. And I'm not much of a rail guy, but I was trying it the other day and I hurt myself a couple of times, but that's how it goes. But the point is, that's why my other skis are waxed, and I never got around to waxing these this spring. So we'll see how they run. Might switch them out later if the snow's sticky, but we'll see. I think we made the right choice going with the slalom skis today. Snow is pretty firm and fast, so let's see what we can do. Wind is brutal. Whew. I was really hoping, you know, I'd get out here and we'd have a beautiful, beautiful day of spring skiing. Unfortunately, not so much. It's windy and cold, and it feels like, you know, January, February, not March. But okay, so made our way to the top of the mountain, and gonna take a run down here. I was gonna say, the one good thing about being here on a blistering cold spring day where the snow's not that great and the weather's not that great is there's nobody here. It's pretty much a dead mountain today. The wind is so bad, you pretty much have to stay tucked just to make it down the mountain, just so you're not blowing back up the hill. After this run, you know what I'm gonna do? Instead of going inside the van to warm up, I'm gonna take you guys back to the top of the mountain. We're gonna go check out the mountaintop lodge, which I don't know if I've ever been in. I can't remember. Anyway, let's finish up this run, head back to the top, then we'll show you guys the bar. Let's do this! Woo!
made 7 runs. Okay, that's all.
Hey, that's good. Good start to the day. Yeah, I always try and, even on a cold day when I don't really want to ski too much,
No.
I tell myself I gotta at least go on each lift before I can leave. That's my rule.
That's a good thing.
Yeah.
I had one of those masks you put on,
Yeah.
and I must have lost it
Oh.
because I was so cold when I was putting it on that I couldn't get it fixed right.
Numb hands.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's hard when you're not changing up in the lodge.
Yeah.
You know, you kind of got to change in your car.
The last 2 years, I've bought a van before winter so I can come and park in the parking lot and I can get ready in my van.
Yeah, that's pretty good, I guess.
All right, well, as you can see, I'm on the deck of the bar right now. We're just inside for a little bit. And we'll walk back through the middle. I was gonna set up a time lapse out here, but it's too cold and I don't want to, so. Thanks. Do. And just like that, that was our first time in the ski bar. No alcoholic drinks today, but we had a Mountain Dew, gave us a little pep in our step, and yeah, let's keep skiing. All right, this run here is closed, but I saw up here, I saw something in the snow, and it looks to me like a cell phone. And I really wanted to ski down this run, but from the top of the run, it's not open. So we're gonna try and hike up here and see if we can get this phone or whatever it is. It's very steep. We're almost there. Did you lose a phone? Somebody did. Yeah? Alright. So I was right, it was a phone. Will it turn on? Doesn't look like it's gonna turn on, but it's a phone wallet. Somebody's credit cards are in here. So I don't know, I guess we'll take this thing down and turn it in maybe. Try and boot ski our way down here without eating shit. Anybody lose a phone? I had to hike up and get it. It looks like it's got somebody's credit cards in it too. Probably leave it down at the bottom. Yeah. All right, going back down, not gonna be as easy as we wanted it to be. Boot ski. Just a little too much traction. Really boots you well. That was quite the expedition. I returned the phone. I gave it to the lifties. They'll take care of it. It'll either go on the lost and found, or like I said, there's credit cards in there, so it's pretty easy to find somebody's name. If you got their credit card, you can pretty well find out who that person might be. So hopefully they get it back someday. Almost to the top. Fast snow made that pretty easy. Whew. All right, let's take a look down this way. Then we're gonna go get some lunch at the van. Whew. Guys, this right here, this is why you do a scout run, okay? Look at this thing. All right, you hit it with some speed, you land on that landing, you're a-okay. You go nice and slow, ramp it, you'll also be okay. You hit this thing just wrong, you're landing smack dab right here on the flat, hurting yourself. That's why it's important, always take a scout run.
Let's hold our speed. Let's hit these whoops. There's not much left. Woo! Woo!
That wind is just killer today. Whew. Oh yeah. Ah. Oh. Whew. Oh man, it's nice and warm in here. Sandwich time. Oh yeah, 2 sandwiches. Today we got a bologna sandwich and a salami sandwich. Yep, that's right. One thing that is kind of neat in this van, my door pocket down here, you can see it's not sealed up properly. The doors are kind of bent and it's rusty. I'm missing the plastic tray that goes down there and probably some rubber seal that goes at the bottom too. So yeah, it doesn't close real tight. But down here, that's my fridge, guys. That's my refrigerator this time of year. Even though I got the heater on in here, keeping it nice and warm, I keep my sandwiches down there, it keeps them cold. Put my water bottle down there, it keeps it cold. Anything you want to keep cold, put it right down there. Actually, now that I'm thinking about it, I might just come sit up here in the cockpit. Set my sandwiches on top of my toilet. Let me just come sit up here in the driver's seat while I eat. That way I don't have to mess with the bed right now. I really wish I had swivel seats. Not gonna lie, I think swivel seats would really, really make this van. All right, let's do this. Make a few more runs today. Finish strong. Ah, yes. The wind, we love it. We love the cold and the wind. All right, boys, here we go. Finish strong, finish strong. Live it up, make the best of it. We're gonna kick it this way for a little bit. Rip him high, dude. Turn him downhill, guy. Oh yeah. All in all, guys, I gotta say it's been a pretty good day. The wind is tough, but it's a little after 2 o'clock right now, and the sun is out. Like I said, it's high in the sky, so it does help. The sunlight definitely helps. I've definitely had a good day. The snow was good. I'm glad I got out here and made the best of this last day. There's a chance, there's a slight chance I'll make it back here one more day. But this place closes on Sunday. It's Tuesday. We'll see. We'll see. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna do my best to get back here, but you know, like I said, this very well could be the last trip, and I've had a great time today. It was totally worth it. In case you were wondering where I hiked up to grab that phone, it's right here, and I can kind of see my track where I was skiing down on my boots a little bit there. This is a really steep trail. It's definitely a black diamond. I don't think it's double black. It could be, but it's definitely a black diamond. Anyway, I hiked right up there. It was steep, no joke. But yeah, you can see my tracks along the side here where I was skidding down the hill. Kind of funny. Well, I've had a really good day here so far. It's been great, and it's dangerously close to 4 o'clock right now, so I think this is it for me. I think this is my last run, and I figure if this is my last run of the season, I might as well get on camera, right? Let's do it. Nice easy cruiser, last run of the year. I should say year, I should say season. Last run of the season. Woo! It's icy. choppy. Nice. I've had these boots on for the last 6 hours. It's gonna feel good to get them off. You don't really, not everybody realize how physical of an activity skiing is. I don't know how many calories I burned today, but it was a lot. I'm gonna eat this bologna sandwich, then we'll get out of here. Always bring more than one sandwich. Rules to live by. If you don't eat it, somebody else will. But most likely, you're gonna eat it. 2 sandwiches. Word up. Is that the dumbest thing I've ever said? I don't know why, if I didn't say word up at the end, it probably would have been an okay statement to make, but the word up, really, that was not too good. It is the code word, though. Did anyone, I don't know if you knew that, but it is the code words. Alright, everybody. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.